Welcome to Serene Mind Studio. If you're feeling stuck, frozen, uncertain, heavy, you're not alone. This short practice is here to soften that stillness, to create just a little space inside. Not to fix, not to force, just to breathe and begin. And the more often you return, the easier it becomes to move with gentleness instead of pressure. Take a slow, deep breath in, and a soft, grounding breath out. Settle into your own natural rhythm. There is nowhere else you need to be. Close your eyes if you'd like. Feel the weight of your body, supported. You don't have to figure it all out. You don't have to move fast. You only have to be here. Inhale slowly. Exhale gently. Let the breath create just enough space for something new to move through. Let go of the story. Let go of the judgment. Let go of needing to know what's next. Right now, your job is to breathe and to trust that motion will return. Inhale possibility. Exhale pressure. You're allowed to begin again, as many times as you need. Even when you feel stuck, this space is here, waiting to welcome you back into softness. You can return to this moment anytime. Repetition makes movement easier. If this helped shift your energy, save it for tomorrow or anytime you need to start again. We'll be here whenever you're ready.